Dave's dream roof rack is nearing completion. Tell us the highlights. Show us the highlights. We've got the solar coming in on this side, right?
So the reason for this roof rack is I wanted something that was 6 inches high because I wanted to mount on that side a Fiamma awning, which is 13 feet long and 5.5 inches high. So it's off the roof and low enough that the cross pieces can come over the top. I wanted the cross pieces of the rack to extend over the top because I wanted to fit solar on one side and a kayak on the other side. So the solar is going to fit in these aluminum angle brackets here. There'll be a 160 watt panel there, a 160 watt panel here, and a 100 watt panel here. And then the kayak racks, obviously you can see those over there. And then
yep, we got the fantastic fan installed, mounted, and the air conditioner is done.
But can you see how we use this 12-foot, it's 3/16 thick aluminum channel.
Yeah, we took it to a guy here who also happens to be the countertop guy, and he has a CNC machine. Isn't that amazing? And this is the end result.
I'm pretty happy with it. It's
so strong.
We could park a Bayliner on here if we wanted to. It is so solid.
We might.
We might. But yeah, and I was surprised. The channels were, I think they said 33 pounds, and I think we removed 15 pounds of that. So overall, it's, you know, for what it is and what it's doing, it's not an overly heavy. You know, this is 1/8 inch thick aluminum. Everything's aluminum and lightweight. So what's
remaining is to install the solar panels up here.
Yeah, we're gonna do that. We're gonna do that right now. We're gonna mount the solar panels. They're just gonna sit here.
Yeah.
And then that's it. I gotta mount. We're gonna put a WeBoost antenna.
That's gonna go back here somewhere.
Yeah.
We'll get back to you on that.
All right. What I like about those kayak racks is they're adjustable. You see the lever on the side there. You can raise the back, you know, whatever angle you want. And typically, if the roof rack is down low, with the air conditioner, that your kayak has to be up really high to be, you know, not hitting that. But we can adjust those down to whatever angle. If you're going to do, say, paddle boards, you could lower those completely flat. Or if you're traveling without anything on them, you can put them flat out of the way. I'm pretty happy. The only thing left I'd still like to do is in the very front of the roof rack, some sort of, you know,
like a fairing or something.
Yeah, some sort of little cover for the front that also acts as, you know, the wind goes. This may whistle like a deer whistle. I don't know.
Yeah, this is one giant experiment, but we'll keep you posted.
I'm not worried about it.
All right, let's get the solar up here.
Okay.
Like a glove.
Oh my God.
Wow.
There it is.
Ta-da.
Look at that.